The commission has come under extreme criticism from the members of parliament for reviewing their salaries downwards. It was accused of unfairly targeting the legislators, even as it tried to streamline public sector salaries. But the commission says it is only performing the functions bestowed on it by the Constitution.
Our mandate, therefore, is enshrined under Article 230 of the Constitution and is to set remuneration for state officers, and the state officers are well defined and listed in the Constitution.
The SARA-led SRC has today revealed that it inherited a public service characterized by serious remuneration disparities and inequities, something it said it was keen to rectify.
There is misinterpretation coming out of a culture where authority and different leadership used their positions to basically benefit themselves. We are talking about change. We're talking about a change of tide, which is removing those conflicts of interest from individuals and setting it at a point where members of the public and all stakeholders participate in the decision-making process and indeed in how the resources are being shared.
Serem said the commission is working on a schedule that will ensure that public sector pay is commensurate with productivity. Speaking at a media breakfast meeting, Serem said the lobbying by parliament to pull out of SRC arrangement was in bad faith.
Supposing they pull out, they will be impacting greatly on the structure of the Constitution, because number one, the Constitution has a definition of two persons within the public sector, that is the state officer and the public officer. Each of those have ways and means of determining their terms and conditions and their status as operators within a state organ. If, therefore, they pull out from being state officers, do they become public officers?
The commission at the same time maintained that it was effective, dismissing claims that it has been overruled time and again.
If we were, Parliament would not be pulling out by amending Article 260. That's a clear indication that we are not. Because if they could get their way from SRC, then they would be happy about Article 260. But because they are very unhappy, now that SRC stood its ground, they want to get it through a constitutional amendment. That's how strong we are.
The commission charges that its remuneration levels were arrived at after a comprehensive analysis with other world economies. Eric Biegon reporting for the Lunchtime News.